Today I have come up with a new video. In my previous video you have given so much of love to me, so thank you for that. So in this video I am going to give you a demonstration about not to make a lemon water, instead how to draw a lemon water. But before that, if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and please follow me on Instagram. Also, if you like my videos and my content, please share these videos. And if you didn't like my content or something else you want me to make, so please do comment in the comment box so that I will be able to understand your views or interest in. Let's roll to the video.